There's something strange happening around us. We're all moving, all rushing, all busy. But are we really living? Or are we just existing in a loop we created ourselves? Look around you right now. Everyone's staring at screens. Everyone's chasing something. But nobody's actually present. Nobody's noticing the people who need them. Nobody's listening to the silence that's screaming for attention. And one day, when it's too late, we realize we missed everything that actually mattered. This isn't just a story. This is a mirror. So listen carefully. If you want more motivational stories like this, subscribe to our channel now. There was a man named Arjun. He lived in a small apartment in a big city. Every morning, he woke up alone. He made tea for himself. He sat by the window and watched people rush to work. Arjun wasn't lazy. He wasn't a failure. He was just forgotten. His children lived in different cities. They were busy building careers, chasing dreams, earning money. His wife had passed away 3 years ago. And since then, Arjun had become invisible. He called his son every week. The phone would ring. Sometimes his son picked up. Most times, he didn't. When he did, the conversation was short. "Dad, I'm in a meeting. I'll call you back." But the call never came back. Arjun understood. He told himself, "They're busy. They have responsibilities." But understanding didn't make the silence easier. Every evening, he sat on the same chair. He looked at old photos. He smiled at memories. But inside, something was breaking. Slowly, quietly. One day, Arjun went to the park. He saw an old man feeding pigeons. The man looked peaceful. Arjun sat beside him. They didn't talk at first. Then the old man said, "You look like someone waiting for something." Arjun smiled sadly. "I'm waiting for my children to remember me." The old man nodded. He told Arjun a story. Once, there was a tree. It gave shade to everyone. Birds lived on it. Children played under it. Travelers rested beside it. The tree never complained. It just gave. But one day, the tree became old. Its branches became weak. The birds found new trees. The children grew up and left. The travelers found faster roads. And the tree stood there, alone. Not because it stopped giving, but because everyone became too busy to notice. Arjun felt a heaviness in his chest. The old man continued, "The tree didn't die from age. It died from loneliness. And that's the saddest way to go." Arjun went home that evening. He didn't call his children. He didn't wait by the phone. He started writing letters. Real letters. On paper. He wrote about his feelings. About his days. About how silence felt heavier than words. He mailed them. Days passed. Then weeks. One morning, his son called. His voice was shaking. "Dad, I got your letter. I'm sorry. I didn't realize." Arjun didn't say much. He just said, "I'm still here. Whenever you're ready." That week, his son visited. They sat together. They didn't talk much. But the silence wasn't empty anymore. It was healing. Life moves fast. We think we have time. We think people will always be there. But time doesn't wait. And people don't last forever. Students ignore their parents because they're focused on exams. Employees skip family dinners because of deadlines. Friends drift apart because everyone's busy. And then one day, we pick up the phone, and there's no one to call. That's when we realize we weren't busy. We were blind. We had time. We just gave it to the wrong things. Don't wait for regret to wake you up. Notice the people around you. Call your parents. Hug your siblings. Sit with your friends. Because one day, you'll want to. But they won't be there. And that pain doesn't go away. Time is running. People are fading. Don't let busyness steal your humanity. Be present before it's too late. If you want more motivational stories like this, subscribe to our channel now.